Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to use magnetic lasso tool in Photoshop. Let's get started. First of all, open your Photoshop, then click the tool, magnetic, right click on your mouse. See this magnetic lasso tool. Or press Ctrl L and create a new layer and use selection. Click this corner and move your mouse, then select it automatically. Click OK and refine its smooth. Use selection. OK, then click the gradient option. Gradient tool, use drop down menu, transparent gradient and customize color black or red. OK, then click anywhere, draw. Result it. Press Ctrl D. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.